capturing every leap, turn, and thrill shouldn't mean compromising on clarity. The best 5K action cameras deliver ultra-detailed footage, rock-solid stabilization, and rugged portability, so you can document your adventures in cinematic quality. Here are the best 5K action cameras that combine resolution, durability, and versatility for every high-octane moment. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Ausek M4R Action Camera. Adventure feels completely different when every moment looks sharp, smooth, and unbelievably alive. And this action camera brings that feeling to life the instant you power it on. The first thing you notice is the clarity. Every scene is captured in stunning 5K resolution, delivering rich detail that makes fast movement feel almost unreal. When you switch to 4K 60 FPS, the smoothness pulls you deeper into the moment, letting you relive action exactly as it happened. The camera feels built for people who never like to stay still. Its powerful stabilization keeps your footage steady even when you are racing downhill, jumping waves, or pushing through rough terrain. No shakes, no blur, just clean and confident video that feels professional every time you play it back. Exploring with it becomes even more fun because the dual IPS touchscreens make everything faster. Adjusting settings, reviewing shots, and switching modes feels natural and quick, as if the camera already knows what you want. The wide 170-degree view transforms every shot into something big and cinematic, pulling in more sky, more scenery, more energy, and more story with every frame. Underwater moments become something magical thanks to its 30-meter waterproof capability, allowing you to swim, dive, or explore without hesitation. Even sound becomes easier to capture clearly with the included wireless mic that keeps audio crisp and focused, making your memories not just sharp, but truly alive. The pre-recording feature gives you a sense of control you did not know you needed, capturing moments from just before you hit the record button, so you never miss the start of something unexpected or exciting. Zooming in up to 5 times lets you stay close to the action without physically getting closer. Perfect for wildlife, sparks, or distant landscapes. Every feature feels like an invitation to push further, explore deeper, and record more boldly. It is the kind of camera that makes you want to create, discover, and relive your adventures again and again with the same thrill you felt in the moment. Pros: stunning clarity, smooth motion, easy control, great stabilization. Cons: low light, battery duration. Number 4. Acogedor Action Camera. Every moment feels more exciting when you have a camera that is small enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture the world in breathtaking 5K clarity. This compact action camera creates that exact feeling the instant you start recording. It delivers crisp, ultra-high-definition video that makes every scene look richer, sharper, and more vivid, turning simple memories into something cinematic. The bright 1.69-inch IPS display pulls you in with clean visuals that make framing shots effortless, even under bright sunlight or fast movement. Despite its tiny size, it feels surprisingly capable, ready to follow you through travel days, cycling adventures, mountain trails, busy streets, or quiet everyday moments. The rotating lens is where the fun truly starts. With a smooth 270-degree range, it unlocks angles that feel creative and completely fresh, allowing you to shoot from low views, high views, and dynamic selfie shots without twisting your wrist or adjusting your posture. The wide 150-degree lens helps you capture more scenery, more people, and more energy in every frame, giving your videos a sense of depth and motion that feels alive. Its advanced EIS anti-shake feature keeps the picture stable even when you are biking over bumps, running across uneven ground, or filming on the go. Every recorded moment stays smooth, clear, and steady even when your adventure gets unpredictable. This camera adapts naturally to your needs with multiple recording modes such as slow motion, loop recording, time-lapse, and normal shooting. Photo modes like auto capture, continuous shooting, and timer options help you grab moments exactly when they matter. Its quick focusing makes capturing action feel instant and intuitive. The Wi-Fi connection adds freedom by letting you send videos directly to your phone, making editing and sharing fast and simple. Even long sessions become easier thanks to the ability to record while charging through a power bank, so you can keep going without waiting for a battery refill. With adjustable ISO levels, customizable white balance, and wide exposure control, you are free to shape the look of your footage the way you want, whether you are shooting sunsets, city lights, or bright outdoor scenes. It is endlessly portable, surprisingly powerful, and always ready to record life with excitement. Pros: compact size, smooth footage, creative angles, easy sharing. Cons: low light, short battery. Number 3. Ausek S81 TRW Action Camera. Power feels different when every detail in your adventure is captured with shocking clarity, and this action camera brings that excitement to life the moment you hit record. Its advanced iCatch V39AS chip delivers smooth, stunning 5K footage at 30 frames per second, letting every landscape, trail, wave, or street moment look sharper and more alive than you ever imagined. Switching to 4K 60 brings an even more fluid, cinematic look that pulls you deeper into the motion, making fast action appear crisp and effortless. Every frame feels full of energy, color, and detail, transforming your recordings into something you cannot wait to watch back. The ability to shoot 48-megapixel photos gives your still images a rich, layered texture that makes travel shots, sports moments, and vlog frames feel incredibly polished. Even in fast movement, the powerful EIS stabilization keeps everything stable and smooth, cutting down shakes while you run, ride, climb, or jump. This makes it unbelievably reliable for capturing intense, unpredictable scenes without losing clarity. The touchscreen makes everything faster and more intuitive, from switching modes to reviewing footage, turning your creative process into something natural and enjoyable. This camera does more than just record, it adapts to what you need. Motion detection adds an extra layer of convenience, waking the camera when action begins so you never miss the first moment of excitement. The optional wireless microphone for the S81 TRW version brings your audio to a higher level, capturing speech and ambient sound with much better clarity, which is perfect for vlogs, commentary, or immersive travel storytelling. With 5x zoom, you can pull distant details closer without interrupting your flow, making faraway scenes feel accessible and full of life. It even doubles as a 1080p webcam, giving you a sharper, more flexible setup for meetings, streaming, or content creation. Everything about this camera feels active, responsive, and built for people who love capturing life without limits. Pros: high resolution, smooth stability, intuitive touch, strong versatility. Cons: low light, accessory costs. Number 2. Viran V9 Action Camera. Adventure feels more powerful when every moment looks bold, wide, and intensely alive, and this compact 5K action camera is built to capture that feeling from the very first shot. Its ultra-clear 5K resolution brings out sharp details in landscapes, fast trails, busy streets, and high-speed action, giving every scene a vivid, lifelike quality. The wide 170-degree field of view stretches your perspective, pulling in more sky, more scenery, and more movement, creating immersive footage that feels open and energetic. Whether mounted on a helmet, bike, or motorcycle, the camera stays ready for anything with a rugged IP68 waterproof design that lets you ride through rain, splash through mud, or explore underwater without hesitation. What makes it even more impressive is the optical image stabilization. Instead of shaky, distorted clips, your footage stays smooth and stable, even during hard turns or bumpy roads. The 2-inch touchscreen gives you an easy and responsive way to frame shots, change modes, and review videos, making the whole experience feel fast and natural. Built-in Wi-Fi adds instant convenience, letting you transfer videos to your phone for quick sharing, editing, or posting while on the move. The removable battery supports long sessions and offers up to 170 minutes depending on settings, giving you enough time to record full rides, long hikes, or extended travel moments without stopping. The included 64GB card gives you a strong head start with plenty of storage for long sessions, slow-motion clips, and multiple adventures. With support for up to 128GB of external memory, you are free to capture more without running out of space. A wide selection of languages makes it accessible for users everywhere, while durable, portable design ensures it stays reliable no matter where you strap it. Whether you are cruising through mountain roads, filming your daily commute, recording a new vlog, or collecting memories from your travels, this camera fits naturally into your adventures and elevates every moment with strong clarity, stability, and style. Pros: wide angle, smooth OIS, touch control, waterproof build. Cons: low light. Number 1, and the winner is Ordro M3 Action Camera. Filming your world feels completely different when a camera fits effortlessly into your hand, yet delivers the kind of detail that makes every moment feel bold and cinematic. This pocket-size 5K action camera is built for creators who want power, flexibility, and freedom without carrying heavy gear. Its large 1/2.5-inch CMOS sensor brings out richer textures, deeper colors, and sharper details, especially in dim environments where smaller sensors struggle. Recording in 5K 30 frames per second makes landscapes, travel scenes, and daily moments pop with clarity, while 4K 60 gives your action footage a wonderfully smooth and energetic feel. The flip-up lens adds a layer of excitement, letting you capture polished close-ups, dynamic vlogs, and creative angles with just one hand. The huge 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen instantly becomes one of your favorite features. Clear, bright, and easy to control, it gives you a perfect view of your shot, whether you are recording yourself or filming someone else. The 120-degree field of view pulls more of the scene into every frame, making your videos feel open and immersive without distortion. Whether you are capturing family trips, nature walks, personal vlogs, or fun moments with friends, the adjustable screen helps you frame everything with confidence from any angle. What makes this little camera feel so powerful is its long list of creative tools. You can shoot vertically or horizontally, depending on where you plan to share your video. Wi-Fi lets you send footage instantly to your phone, while webcam mode turns it into a clean and sharp streaming device. IR night vision keeps you recording in low light, and the 10x digital zoom brings faraway details closer. Time-lapse, slow motion, long exposure, continuous shooting, wide dynamic range, and exposure lock all give you deep control over how your final footage looks. Every tool feels designed to help you push your creativity forward. Despite all these features, the camera stays wonderfully portable with a compact body, lightweight, and IP65 water-resistant build that lets you take it anywhere without worry. Pros: large sensor, big screen, versatile modes, pocket-friendly. Cons: low light noise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.